Here is how you can download and play Minecraft on PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can download and play Minecraft on PC. So let's start. You can download Minecraft on PC by using two methods. The first method is by going to any browser. Then after, go to the official website of Minecraft. As you go to the official website of Minecraft, you'll find a screen like this. Click on Get Minecraft. Now select your device. Since you are downloading it on PC, click on Buy Now on the right side of Windows, Mac or Linux. In the next step, you will have to purchase the game itself. For that, go to Checkout and log into your Microsoft account and make the payment. After you make the payment, the game will be downloaded on your PC. Now the second method is go to search bar and type Store and go to Microsoft Store. Now on the search bar type Minecraft. You will find various options in the search results. Go for Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition for PC. Then after, click on Buy. You will have to pay $30 in order to purchase the game. You will have to log into your Microsoft account and make the payment in order to download the game. After you make the payment, the game will be downloaded to your PC. So in this way, you can easily download and play Minecraft on PC. on your computer. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.